go.
It's the last Saturday in May. The ride going to go north to the San Gabriel River and see how far that takes us. One of the nicer days we've had in the last week. It's not completely overcast. And it's not really windy. Long Beach off in the distance. Well, it's been a big day for bicycles. This is probably the 5th or 6th group. In groups of 10, 20, even more, all heading south. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Okay, I'm almost to the San Gabriel River, and I'm thinking that may be part of the dangerous plan. Go up to the Whittier Narrows. We'll see how I feel. On the San Gabriel River Trail, we're coming up to the 405, 605 interchange. A little over 3 miles, 5 kilometers up the trail. Coming up to the split, San Gabriel to the left, Coyote to the right. Gonna go across this bridge. El Dorado Park to the left. Very challenging public golf course. El Dorado Park. We got archery training for beginners. A lot of bows to borrow. And then the more advanced class, looks like they have recurve and compound bows, all kinds of stuff. A hit.
Yeah, those run real cool.
Another hit. Looks like in the red. Nice. I'm riding around El Dorado Park in Long Beach. Got a lot going on. Archery, trains, lake with fishing. As I recall, this is the road they do the crit races on. I think it's Tuesday evening. Road is closed to traffic, and they race around this nice road. Coming up to the start-finish line. And there you have it. One full lap around the Criterium course in Long Beach at El Dorado Park. Hey, we're coming up to the flying field where the remote control airplanes, drones, I would imagine, all congregate. Let's see if we can find out some information. Another activity at El Dorado Park. This is like a F-18 or something?
It's the new Boeing jet that they just started making for training in the military.
Oh, so it replaced the T-38 kind
Right.
of. Very cool. It appears to be a turtle. There's several others, some in red, this one in blue. Seal Beach Pier. Seal Beach Surf and Weather Report. Brought to you daily. Actually, this is yesterday's report, May 29th. The Seal Beach Seal. I'm about 2 kilometers from home. Looks like I'm going to come up a little short. I'll have to do some fancy maneuvering to make sure I get 1 kilometer per annum.